Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us iPhone users face: battery health and replacement. Specifically, we'll be exploring whether it's worth replacing your battery once it reaches 80%. So let's begin. Personal experience. My own iPhone 11 recently hit that 80% mark, and let me tell you, the performance wasn't pretty good. Lagging, connectivity issues, and rapid battery drain became my daily companions. I decided to take the plunge and replace the battery at an official Apple service center. While it restored the health to 100%, the performance gains haven't been as drastic as I expected. After contacting Apple, I got some of the possible reasons for this issue. iPhone age. As iPhone 11 was released around 4 years ago, my iPhone is naturally aging, and some performance degradation is expected as it ages. Software demands. The iPhone 11 was initially designed for iOS 13. Now, on iOS 17, the hardware and battery have to work harder to meet the demands of this more resource-intensive software. This can lead to performance issues and faster battery drain. The current software needs are here, whereas the battery and other hardware are here. So, should you replace your battery or consider a new phone? The answer depends on your individual needs and budget. Here are some factors to consider. Cost. Battery replacement is generally cheaper than buying a new phone. Future needs. If you plan to keep your phone for a while, investing in a new battery might be worthwhile. Software update plans. Consider whether you'll upgrade to future iOS versions that might further stress your current hardware or stay at lower iOS version. Replacement tips. If you decide to replace the battery, here are some helpful tips. Backup. Backup your iPhone using iTunes or iCloud to prevent data loss during servicing. iCloud storage. If you need more storage for backup, upgrade your iCloud plan temporarily. You can always downgrade later and request a refund from Apple. Check their policies. Cost estimate. Check the estimated battery replacement cost in the Apple Support app under the Battery tab. The actual charged amount is nearly the same as expected amount. Conclusion: I hope this video has shed some light on the complexities of iPhone battery replacement after 80% health. By considering the factors discussed and weighing them against your own situation, you can make an informed decision that best suits your needs. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with iPhone battery issues. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights.